Welcome to beautiful Spain! Today we are visiting a family-owned bus factory. It's called Beulas, and today we will get a good walkthrough in the whole production facilities. Welcome to Spain!
I am Dolores Beulas. I'm my position in the company. I am the CEO, and I share with my sister Gloria. Because the company starts in 1934 with our grandfather, Ramon Beulas, and after him, our parents put the company in the actual situation. And with Gloria, we are the third generation. And 3 years ago, started my son Mark. And he is the fourth generation of the company. The situation of the company is in our buses because there are a lot of trees, and historically the structure of the buses was with wood. And we improved the company and changed for have a modern vehicles. We produce approximately 150 units per year, but it depends a little bit of the kind of product, because we are very flexible in our production and we can do a little units till 27 seats, till 100 seats per unit with our double decker, and we have an extended range of products. The main advantage we have that we are very flexible and we are capable to do exactly the kind of products that our customers want. We try to do our best for the customers and take care of them, but just not only for when we sell the product, if not with the after sales, because we think it's very important to give a very good service to them. And a problem for a customer is our problem, and we try to solve in a short time, give him a good service for them.
My name's Nick Allen. I work for Beulas. We're a specialist coach builder based in Albucias in northeastern Spain, in Catalonia. Beulas specialise in building luxury coaches, bespoke luxury coaches, so that we can actually give the customers exactly what they're looking for. I've been with the company for 11 years, having moved to Spain 20 years ago with my family. Here in Beulas, everybody has a real passion for building coaches. There's a great history here since 1934 of building coaches, and in the early years there was the Spanish Civil War, and the company was involved in building ambulances for the war, and subsequently has continued building coaches ever since. The unique thing about Beulas is that we give the customers the choice that they're looking for as much as we can. We have an extensive range of different products. We're selling right across Europe into a lot of different markets, each market having specifically different requirements, but we adapt every time for each market and for every customer. So the customer comes to Beulas because they're looking for something special.
Arbucias is a small town, but we are fortunately because there are a lot of little companies that they are working for us, because they are specialists in the different types of suppliers that we need to do our activity. We are here working directly, 200 people, but we have more people that is not working directly with us. With our suppliers that are very close in the same town, but in the little towns we have around Arbucias.
When we build a new coach, we start off with a chassis, because what I haven't explained is that Beulas can build on any chassis, be it MAN, be it Scania, Volvo, Mercedes. We actually build the body on top. The chassis comes into us directly from the manufacturer, and when it arrives here we check it over and we disconnect all the cabling, which allows us to separate the front and rear axles. We then move the axles apart to the required length so that we can build the coach, which can be a 9.8 metre coach or it can be a 15 metre coach, and many different lengths in between. We establish the required length. Once the chassis is welded to the jig, we then build the entire structure on top of the chassis. And when that structure is finished, then we will move the chassis and structure through to the other part of the manufacturing process, where we'll start putting it through paneling, then it'll go into paint, then it'll come back in for finishing. The site we have here at Beulas is a site in the middle of the mountains that was much, much smaller when they first arrived here, and they've gradually expanded, which has meant that the production process isn't a logical path, purely because we had to accommodate the space we had at the time. We have different departments and the vehicle will move through different departments according to the process it's in. Beulas builds single deckers and double deckers, over deckers, high deckers, super high deckers. We have a variety of different products to fill every niche. Each product can be supplied at different lengths. The base product is the Cygnus, the entry-level product. After that we have our high decker, which is our best seller. Following the high decker we have the super high decker, the Mythos, and then we have the Glory, which is an over decker, a beautiful machine with a very large area in the driver compartment that can be modified to put in a kitchen area, sleeping area, depends what the customer's looking for, or you can have guide seats plus 3 passenger seats depending on what the operator's looking for. Following that we have the double decker that can have up to 99 seats, and we are currently have a new double decker in London which has recently gone there, which is going to have electric propulsion system which is being installed by our partners Equipmake.
We sell our production approximately 70% in the Spanish market and the rest in the European market. But it depends a little bit of the year, because we try to go to the important tenders around Europe, and there are some years could change about 50% in Spain and 50% in the rest of Europe. The Scandinavian market is very important for us because it's a market that we work historically, and we won important tenders with double deckers. But in this moment, after the crisis, we start strong with this market, selling some double deckers also, and the Glory, that is a very impressive model that we can adapt as the customer needs. And we think in the future we can sell, we can represent approximately 10% of our sales. And we work for trying that arrive to this target.
Every market has specific requirements, and we've just recently done something a little bit different in the Spanish market, which curiously relates very closely to the Norwegian market, in as much as we've built a 15-metre vehicle that has a rear door behind the rear axle, which is unusual. And also in the case of the Spanish vehicle, we didn't put a toilet in, but that's completely feasible. Just depends on the market requirement, so we're very adaptable. Obviously, for everybody, the COVID experience was dreadful. We were forced to close compulsorily by the government for a month and a half, but we've kept on working throughout the period, whereas many other manufacturers were not so fortunate to have work as we did. We've found that the sales have just gone crazy. This last few months have been very chaotic, with orders coming in left, right and centre. It's really almost unheard of, to be honest, and certainly with regards to the order book at the moment is exceptional. We've got a lot of irons in the fire with regards to new product, the electrical dual in the UK, and we're working on other projects in Spain as well for more greener options using hydrogen. A company like Beulas have the flexibility to adapt and change very quickly, which some of the bigger companies are unable to do. Beulas have been here for a long time and are very much involved in the local community and have been involved in setting up training programs for people to come in and learn the business, and so we're constantly having new people come in to learn how to build luxury coaches. As I was saying, Beulas have a passion for building coaches, and it's currently a third generation that are running the company. But Mr. Beulas, the second generation, he comes in on a daily basis, he absolutely loves it, and particularly coming in to give his advice to the youngsters that are working on various different projects, to use his know-how to the maximum.
Thank you so much for watching the video here today, and if you liked our little story here from Spain, please give us a subscribe and a thumbs up, and hope to see you soon in one of our next videos here on YouTube. But until then, have a great day, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.